you're ever wondering, what is she saying? She makes no sense. I want you to know that I'm running on, you know, no sleep, baby, but also Lonnie New and Oreos. When I get home, I'm treating myself to DoorDash. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lainey. Today I wanted to do like a holiday lookbook video. Oh my God, this shirt has thumb holes. That's so cute. It's so cute. I wanted to do a holiday lookbook video. It's more just about the holiday season and the different outfits that you get to wear, because I don't have that many like fancy outfits, and I'd honestly grow tired of just doing fancy outfits. So I wanted to kind of do a wider range of things. So that's what I'm doing. The sun is setting, like I gotta pick up speed. The baby took a long nap today, which was really, really nice, but it meant I had to start filming later. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace. Before I even get the comment. No, I actually love the comment. I wish Brandon read your guys' comments so he could see. The straw baby tees, let me just show you. He was supposed to come today and yesterday to print them. Oh, here. He said he has 8 more to print. I think a normal person, 8 would take like minutes. Brandon is so particular. These things take him very long. A non-colored baby tee, got them under there. I don't want to mess up too much, but then those are the colored baby tees that you guys are waiting for. They look so good, and it just takes longer because there's more than one color. We're hoping before Christmas, and since they're all already printed, they should get to you guys before Christmas if you're like giving them as a gift or want them as a gift for yourself, anything like that. So that's that. Let's get into the outfits. So the first outfit I wanted to do was like your hometown bar, what you're gonna wear. I think that this would be a really cute outfit, but I just showed this in my last video, styling trends online versus in real life. So I'll give you guys something a little bit different, but I think that this would be a really good like bar outfit, because you're probably going to your hometown bar if you're home. I don't know, maybe you're not. I don't think I ever did for the holiday. I don't know, where am I? Okay, let's go. Like, is this way too dressed up? I don't know, I think it's fun. Am I just like an old woman now that things look old on me? Oh my goodness. Would we do bare legs? Like, probably not. But that's so effing cute. I think I need to put tights on though, unfortunately. Okay, I was gonna put tights on. Yes, I'm putting socks over my socks. I was gonna put on tights with this, but I just keep showing outfits with tights, and I know so many more are gonna be outfits with tights that I'm not gonna show this one with tights. How many more times can I say tights? Because when I go to the bar in my hometown, I'm just like Ubering to the door. I'm not walking outside or anything like that, so I'd be fine. You, on the other hand, do what you need to do. Our motto in college was always, a hoe never gets cold. Wait, is that what it is? A hoe doesn't get cold? A hoe doesn't get cold. I don't remember what it is now. Do I like it above the knee or under the knee? I think I like it under the knee. Above the knee is a little bit too schoolgirl. Now I don't like the brown boots. Should we just switch it up and do over the knee? No, I hate it over the knee. This is why I stopped doing talking videos. I'm gonna probably cut so much of that out, but just know I just, okay. And yes, I'm gonna wear a big long trench coat. Hopefully have a place to sit, or you can just drape it like this, and I think it looks so stinking chic. Again, a trench coat would keep you warmer because you can like cover your legs up if you had to stand out in the cold for a minute. So you can basically get away with anything with a trench coat. I think that this is a really cute like bar outfit, night out outfit. Would it probably be very dressed up compared to what everyone else is wearing? Yes, that's why I showed the first outfit. But if you wanna look like a sophisticated, mature woman, man, person, you could do something like this. I just think it's adorable. And if you wanted something, again, just like toned down, just do jeans instead. But I think like a nice cut top is basically always the way to go going out or something like that. And then I'm just so into polka dot right now, so let's do the next one. Okay, next I just wrote down like winter activities. So this could be, what could this be? Like shopping for a Christmas tree. No, this is supposed to be like, okay, shopping for a Christmas tree, or like ice skating, so we need to be cozies. Okay, I don't know if I wanna do ice skating. Like I wanna wear a cheetah print pant, but I also wanna wear a fur jacket. What to do, what to do, what to do. Okay, I think I wanna be a bit more casual. These jeans are from Elwood. They're super cute, and I can wear them a bit more low-waisted. They're very baggy, but like I like that style. And then with this outfit, like obviously put on any under layers that you would see fit, but I'm good in this. I'm debating between moon boots and just sneakers. I think I just want sneakers. I know I got kind of like flamed for wearing sneakers in a freezing cold outfits video. I don't know, it's what I've always done. I would do it in college, you know. I went to Grand Valley, it was below freezing, and I'd be in my sneakers trudging to class, and I didn't think of it any other way. So yeah, like this is a good outfit just because these jeans are so good. So what is most important with this kind of outfit when doing like a winter activity outdoor? It's the accessories. I wish I had my mittens, but I don't. And I don't want to put on sunglasses because I feel like these are more like nighttime activities. So I think that this is super cute. The baggy jeans, Sambas, fur jacket, beanie. I was gonna put on my little head kerchief because I love it so much, but I feel like it's just so stinking cute that I wanted to dress the fur jacket in a little bit more of like a dress down way. Again, something I did in my last video. But yeah, I think that this is adorable. These jeans are so good. They're so like oversized and create a really cool silhouette. So I really like this outfit. And then if you were ice skating, don't worry, you'd have a little bit of extra height. I'm 5'7" and these jeans are size 28. I pulled them kind of low-waisted, so they're even like longer on me. But ice skating, you could roll the jeans up or you'd have that little bit of extra boom. Maybe you wouldn't want to ice skate with your Birkin basket because you could fall and break your poor baby. So maybe it's just Christmas tree shopping or advanced skaters only. So I need to go quicker, like this, I'm losing the sun. Okay, next I'm thinking some holiday shopping. And I feel like, again, this is like a polarizing one to put on these kind of sneakers. I'd want to be comfy. If I'm like, you know, doing a real holiday shopping, I'm trying to get my gifts picked out, I don't know. And then you guys saw I got this jacket off of Depop, just a military liner, and it's literally so warm. I'm obsessed with it because it's got the armpit holes and I need that for breathability. If you're shopping in the mall too, you want to have like thin layers on so you can take them on and off. I'd probably be very irritated with a scarf, but if I was outside, I would put one on. And then this is just my everyday bag, so it feels like I have to grab it. Is it not like the Birkin basket, but leather? It's from Songmount. I'm obsessed with it. So this is a little like holiday shopping outfit. You're still so cute, but so comfortable, which I'd appreciate. I feel like you could get away with this indoor or outdoor, depending like how warm it is. But whenever I would go to Chicago in the winter, not really when I lived there because it was like during Corona, so I didn't go in many places. But when I would go in the winter and we'd be shopping like in and out of stores, you'd be so hot the second you were like in the store shopping and it'd be miserable and you just want to get outside. So I feel like the key was to not like overdress if you're outside shopping. And if you're in the mall shopping, like leave your accessories in the car, honestly. So super cute. My shoes are Asics, Peachy Den, pants. This little cashmere sweater is from Whatnot, Depop, Whatnot, Cotton, KOTN. These are Amazon sunglasses, and then Songmount bag. So I love it. Again, just like playing with the colors. So cute and comfy, and we can shop. Okay, in my head, this is like going to dinner with friends or something, just getting drinks. I don't know if this shirt is like too crazy for these pants now. This was supposed to be like a little like holiday dinner or something. Why is the cheetah skirt so much like less abrasive than the cheetah print pants? But I love this top. I might change the pants. We're gonna keep it on. I'm gonna tone it down. I think just adding a big trench will help. And like, especially at dinner, you're mostly sitting down. I didn't wanna put on a skirt or something. This is like drinks with friends, dinner. Maybe it's like the boots too. I don't know, but like that, it looks so cute with just like the little cheetah print poking out and then it's a pop of, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. We're gonna keep it on. But like, obviously you could have this buttoned so we're hiding a bit more of the shirt. And then we could even make it a bit more like girly, like preppy. No, that looks awful. I need to chill out. Or drinks with friends. I don't really think this is like a family-friendly outfit, but honestly, it's fun. And like, it's the holidays. Just have fun with your outfits. I feel like everybody dresses up a little more. So I think it's really cute. The cheetah and the like hot pink. I think if the shirt was red, it wouldn't feel so like early 2000s, but I really love how the pants look with this jacket and like just poking at the bottom. And this shirt, if you guys watched my haul video, it's vintage Moschino. I got it off Depop and it's like just so pretty and so flattering that I just wanted to wear it. And I need to find an excuse to wear it like IRL. So next. Okay, next I want to show an outfit for like a holiday party. And I feel like this, oh my God, it's so cute. I want to wear this so bad to a holiday party. It is so stinking adorable. I thought that this was gonna be like so unflattering with the tiny little heels. I was gonna do these, like my big bad boy Steve Madden platforms that are actually so comfortable, but like I think that's still adorable. And I think if I was going to a crazier party, that'd be fun. I'm not going to any party, but I don't know, there's something about just like the little kitten heel that is so stinking cute to me. I'm absolutely obsessed with this outfit. And if you guys don't understand the vision, I don't understand you. I wanted to originally shorten this dress, like the pleat of it, and I still think that would be really cute. Maybe if I could do it in a way that you can like make it long again. I love the drop waist and the like unflatteringness of it. I think A-line is just gonna be so big in the next coming seasons. So I'm obsessed with this outfit. I think it's so adorable. And a holiday party, like, yes, my arms are out, but I don't think it matters. I might actually wear this like to Christmas because it's so stinking cute. My only gripe with it, sorry, but I can't breastfeed in it. And I was gonna say like a red lip, but I don't even know if I need it, honestly. Let's try. I was talking about how much a red lip can do. Oh my God, I actually love it. I normally don't like a red lip on me, but I love it. I think it's so adorable with the red tights. I love this outfit. I'm gonna scream it from the rooftops. This is Laura Mercier in Rouge Ultime. It's so fun. And I think it's so different. Oh my God, I love this outfit. I love it so much. And I don't think it needs a red lip, but I think the red lip is fun. I was gonna show a New Year's Eve outfit, but I literally like don't even think I literally don't even think I have one in my arsenal. And I'm literally losing sunlight. So I can do a full New Year's Eve outfit lookbook for you guys if that's something you'd wanna see. But I don't wanna like rush through the outfits and not give you guys good ones. And I wanna end it on a good note. And like, I want to wear this outfit. It is so adorable. This dress is from Whatnot. I think it's the brand MSGM. And then these tights are Amazon. And then these shoes I thrifted, but they're Clark's. Remember to check out Squarespace. If you guys haven't heard of Squarespace before, I'm gonna talk a little bit about them and how you can soon get my baby tee.
So like I said, I have some exciting news when it regards my Squarespace website. I actually just made a new Squarespace website, and this one is for the online store. So you guys have been asking so much about this straw baby tee that Brandon screen prints himself, and we have finally found the blanks we want to use and get them to you guys. So Squarespace is perfect for selling your products on an online store. Whether you sell physical or digital products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. This is something you're interested in. Something that is really crucial to an online store is having a mailing list. Get the right message to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about the most with a unique mailing list. And lastly, something I'm so big on that Squarespace always offers is the blogging and commenting features. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. So make sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off first purchase of a website or domain. See you guys on my site.
So thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.